The Mi 11 series is Xiaomi's latest 2021 smartphones, which consists of 3 models: the Mi 11, the Mi 11 Ultra, and the Mi 11 Lite 4G, which I'll be checking out here today. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 10. Among these 3 models, the Mi 11 Lite 4G is the most affordable one at RM1199. There will be a 5G variant releasing very soon. Let's have a quick unboxing, shall we? Inside the box contains the Mi 11 Lite user guide, SIM ejector, USB-C to audio jack dongle, TPU case, USB-A to USB-C cables, and a 33W fast charger. The design language is pretty identical to the Mi 11, glass sandwich with curved aluminium chassis and square camera bump. The first impressions when I pick up the device, it is very thin and lightweight. The volume button is on the right, alongside with the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The hybrid SIM tray located at the bottom and the SIM tool also work as a storage expansion. The Mi 11 Lite features a beautiful bright 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with HDR10 certified DCI P3 color gamuts and protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The panel also features 90Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The hole punch on the top left corner houses a 16-megapixel camera. Coming to the rear camera, it is equipped with a 64-megapixel f1.79 main cameras, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro that does autofocus, unlike other fixed focus macro, which I find it pretty useless in my humble opinion. Here are some photos taken with the Mi 11 Lite. Back to the internal, it powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G with 8GB of RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. Although it has a merely 7mm thickness, the Mi 11 Lite is packed with a 4250mAh battery and supports 33W fast charging. The overall performance is pretty snappy thanks to the powerful Kryo 470 octa-core processor and Adreno 618 GPU. Here are some performance test results on the Antutu V9 and Geekbench 5. The Mi 11 Lite 4G may not be the most powerful device among these 3 models, but for the price of RM1199, I would say the overall build and performance is a bargain. It's a one-capable upper mid-range device that you can own without breaking your bank. If you are not in a hurry, I would suggest you to wait for the 5G variants that uses a slightly updated chip, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G based on 5nm processors, which I believe it will offer a much more better performance and power efficiency. If you like this kind of short and sweet tech reviews, to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, I hope to see you guys at the